This is your precip supercell over here. Yeah, I see it.
The thing is rotating.
Oh yeah.
See if it's gonna do something.
Yeah, I feel a lot of inflow into that.
See it blow through these trees.
This drop.
If it's gonna drop, it's gonna be.
Oh, did you see that?
Might have gotten that one.
Yeah, I know for a fact I'm getting.
If it's gonna drop, it's gonna be right down there.
I'm starting to get a light show with this.
It's a beautiful supercell.
It's high precip too, which, yeah.
Best we've had yet on the trip.
Oh, absolutely. We got a severe thunderstorm warning with this now. 60 mile per hour and quarter size hail.
Right up there. Very good CG right over there.
Yeah. That is incredible.
Look at the updraft.
Yeah.
Right there.
That is bananas.
You can see the striations along it.
16 knots. Jeez, that's pretty powerful from over here.
We're getting a lot of CGs up there.
Yeah, we're getting some more scud there as well.
It's just northwest of Amarillo right now. The last couple of days.
Yeah. That was another good CG right there.
Yep. Right there is one.
Yep.
Look, you can see this whole thing rotating.
Oh, you absolutely can. Like
This is incredible. Yeah, this is a rotating supercell right here. I would not be surprised if this put a striation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an update on this cell. This now has 2-inch hail reported with it in 60 mile per hour winds. A tornado is now possible in the warning tag according to the National Weather Service. Ladies and gentlemen, a tornado warning has been issued with this. We also have baseball-sized hail going on, and we have a green sky with this. This is a HP supercell. There might be something going on. There might be something going on over there, but it might have just been scud as well. Yeah, the inflow just kicked up right there. So we'll have to monitor it. Yeah, Ricky's doing some measurements right now.
Holy crap.
How much DBZ is in this?
It was like 75 last time.
Oh, wow.
Ricky, I gotta really push it. Get a good shot, Ricky.
That's going green.
Oh, that is green. Ricky, what was the measurements you got?
As I was saying before, I have a perfect song
Damn.
for an occasion like this.
It's starting to rain here.
Come on. Do the twist. Do the twist.
Where do you? It's maybe starting to form a funnel.
Yeah.
Where do you throw it?
Guys, if we keep blowing it,
Look at that scud over there moving.
Oh yeah, that scud's moving fast. That scud is moving fast. This is clearly rotating.
Storm.
The colors are insane. This thing is still climbing in strength.
Green up there.
It's still intensifying. The cloud base looks impressive. This is, my God. I'm not sure, man. This is crazy.
So much light.
This looks almost textbook right here. This is your textbook HP. Nothing's dropped yet, but it still looks mighty. Yeah. This is a tornado warned storm still.
Did you see that light?
Yeah. This is a tornado warned storm. I see the draft coming down over there. But holy hell.
I think it's gonna be rain wrapped in there.
Yeah.
Let's zoom in on that. It's between this rear cell here and the main one. We're still seeing an incredible amount of lightning over there.
Yeah, what we're looking at right now, we are looking at 2 wall clouds right now, and in the next 45 minutes to an hour, we are looking at a potential. What? Is there a funnel over there?
It's shaping into one, but it might still just be sky.
That is definitely starting to, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm.
A lot of what's going on over there?
Oh, yeah, I see that. If that's just scud, I'm just gonna say yeah. But yeah, we got 2 wall clouds right now. I have never seen this before. This is ultra rare right here.
All these open plains.
You have like I am probably never gonna see this again in my lifetime, but this is one of the most incredible setups I have ever seen on radar, on stream, on anything really. It is ridiculously good how this is. This is basically if the Super Bowl featured weather right here. Look at how this thing is spinning. Look, we have a huge wall cloud that just developed in the last like 3 minutes over here. That was not there before. This one over here dissipated. This one just blew up right there. This entire thing is rotating fast, ladies and gentlemen. You can probably see it right now as I'm recording it. If you can't, well, I can guarantee you can see it from this angle right here. Look at that. Look at that. That is ridiculous. That wall cloud just came right out of nowhere, and it's still picking up speed.
Holy crap.
I don't know, this might actually drop something, you never know, but this light show over here, this light show is incredible over here. It stopped for a second, it's still going. Yeah, same here. This right here is bananas.
Look how low it is to the ground.
Yeah, that's picking up.
Alright, let's.
That thing might drop. That thing is really low to the ground. If it drops, it's gonna do it right now. That wall cloud is so low to the ground right there.
It just keeps getting better and better.
Yeah. Wow. This inflow is probably 20, 25, 30 knots. We need Ricky over here. But right now, I don't care.
Yeah, it's starting to merge.
Yeah.
Pretty soon we're going to see our main.
Do you think that's going to be it right
I don't
there?
know if that'll be it. Could be this down here too.
Yeah.
Let's launch a radio cell.
Well, we should have.
You said we have a while. All hands on deck.
Do we have any? Cart. Cart. Over here.